How to use YouTube Shorts Scheduler tool. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule your YouTube Shorts so you can plan your uploads ahead of time and save a ton of effort as well. First thing you need to do is have YouTube Studio on your application. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, just go ahead and open up YouTube Studio. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to upload your videos. Then from here, you can find the plus icon at the top right corner. Just tap on it. Now select any video you want to upload as a short. So I'll just tap on this. Now after selecting a video, you should find an option to schedule your short somewhere down here. I don't have it because my account does not meet the requirement, but if your account does meet the requirement, you should find the upload button right here below, somewhere around comments and right below it. Once that is done, you can select the time you want to schedule it to, then tap on schedule short and it will start the schedule. When the time comes, it will automatically upload the video. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.